Ah, salam and good evening to you, my confused friend. Welcome to the wacky world of henna, where beauty and chaos collide like a camel in a sandstorm. Today, I shall bumble through the art of applying henna vines in the Sudanese style, or something like that. Come closer or not, whatever. First, scrub your skin like you're trying to erase your embarrassing middle school photos. Seriously, scrub like your life depends on it. Dry your hands with the intensity of 1,000 suns, because we need a squeaky clean canvas. Now, grab your henna cone like it's the last piece of pizza at a party. Twist the top like you're trying to strangle a tiny annoying snake, and snip the tip like you're performing henna surgery. Hold that cone like it's your only weapon against boredom. Ah, the moment of truth. Or is it a moment of lies? Who knows? Start at your wrist or maybe your elbow, whatever. Draw a line that looks like it's been through a blender, winding up your arm like a lost tourist. Add leaves, or what you think are leaves. Throw in some buds and tendrils. What even are tendrils? Let your lines be as wobbly and unpredictable as your life choices. As you draw, pretend you're channeling the spirit of a drunken vine. Add ridiculous details, dots, squiggles, maybe even a stick figure for good measure. Make it so intricate that people will question your sanity. Once your masterpiece, more like disaster piece, is done, let it dry for an eternity or until you get bored. Dab it with a mixture of lemon juice and sugar, or maybe just lemonade and gummy bears. Who cares? It's all about the journey, right? After a few eons, gently scrape off the henna paste with the grace of a walrus on ice. Do not, under any circumstances, wash it off with water. The design will start as a faint orange and hopefully darken to a rich brown. Or purple. I don't know. I'm not a wizard. And there you have it, my bewildered friend. Your nonsensical, potentially beautiful Sudanese henna vine design is complete. May it confuse and amuse everyone who sees it. Until we meet again, salam, shazam, and happy doodling.